Hello, Tigers. Today is your math class for April 28, 2020. This is your Chapter 9 review. Tomorrow, you will have your test. Let's begin our class today with a little mini time lesson. So I am going to put some times on my clock, and I would like you to write them on your whiteboard. Okay, so put your lesson off to the side for a moment. You will need your whiteboard and a marker. And I'm going to show you some times on the clock, and I want you to write them on your whiteboard, okay? At the end, we'll check your whiteboards and see how many of the times you got correct. So don't erase your times. Make a list of times, okay? For example, it could look like this. I'll show you an example. Okay, maybe I showed you these times and you would have them written in a list, okay? So we're going to do a few of these and then we're going to check our work and see if you got all the times correct. Are you ready? All right, put a number 1 on your board. Put a number, just like we're doing a spelling test, put a number 1 on your board. Okay? All right, here's the first time I want you to write. All right, friends, what's the time? All right, write a number 2. All right, what time is it, friends? All right, number 3. What time is it, friends? This is number 4 now. Number 4. What time is it, friends? And our last one, number 5. This will be number 5. What time is it, friends? All right, do you want to check your work? See if you got it right? Let's look down at our paper or at our boards. Check your boards with me, see if you got these right. Number 1 was 7 o'clock. Number 2, 9:30. Number 3, 1:30. Number 4, 5 o'clock. Number 5, 6:30. Did you get them all right? If you did, give yourself a star. There once was a man who had 2 arms. He reached down and touched his toes. Yay! Good job. If you didn't, keep practicing. You'll get it. All right, we can erase that. Practicing our time to the hour and half hour. Hopefully you're getting a hang of that because you have a test tomorrow on it. Let's move on to our Chapter 9 review. Let's put our name at the top first, friends. And the date 4-28-20. Let's read our paper together. Chapter 9 Review Test. Vocabulary. Circle the clock that shows time to the half hour. Which clock shows time to the half hour? 12:30. It'd be this one, so it said circle it. Okay. Underline the clock that shows time to the hour. 8 o'clock. So let's underline that one. Underline the clock that shows time to the hour. Concepts and skills. Use square tiles to measure. So we're measuring this chain, aren't we? I know you don't have square tiles, but you can watch teacher as I lay mine down. 1, 2, 3, 4. What would you say? About 4 square tiles. Good job, friends. Number 3, draw 3 crayons in order from longest to shortest. So the first crayon has to be my long crayon. You can pick whatever color you want. I'm going to do kind of a red color. I have to put my phone down. Sorry, friends. Teacher can't always. You see that better? Can't write very good when I don't have my hand to hold my paper down. I'm going to say that's my longest crayon. There we go. And then I'm going to do one in the middle. Okay. And then I'm going to draw my shortest crayon at the bottom. Color doesn't really matter because they didn't give us a story here talking about the colors. They just said draw 3 crayons. So I just chose these colors from longest to shortest. Are they in order? Yes, they are. Are your crayons in order? Okay, let's move on. Flip it over like a pancake or open up your page. Here we go. Number 4. Mike measures a box with paper clips. About how long is the box? Well, we have to count, don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which answer says about 10 paper clips? Good. Number 5, the friend's name is Karen. Karen measures the crayon with tiles. About how long is the crayon? So let's get our tiles out. 1, 2, 3. Which answer says about 3 tiles? Right there. Good. Number 6, read it with me. A red line is longer than a purple line. Here's my purple line. The red line has to be longer. Oh, so it can't be this one. Can't be that one. Is this red line longer than the purple line? Yeah, so it could be this one. Is this red line for this answer longer than the purple line? Yeah, so it could be that one too. Let's listen to my next clue. The purple line is longer than a yellow line. Is my purple line longer than this yellow line? Is my purple line longer than this purple line? Ooh, longer, equal, or shorter? What do you think? They're equal, aren't they? So it can't be this one. What's the only answer that makes sense? This one, yes. Let's read it one more time just to make sure. A red line is longer than a purple line, yes. The purple line is longer than the yellow line. Yes, sure enough. That's my answer. That's what you're going to have to do in your test tomorrow too. They're going to ask a question like this, and you're going to have to start crossing off the ones that it can't be until you get down to one that makes sense. So again, if a red line is longer than a purple line, is this red line longer than the purple? No, so it can't be this one. That's why I marked it off. Is this red line longer than this purple line? No, so I knew it couldn't be this one either. So look, I got rid of these two right at the beginning, didn't I? Then it was between these two. Now the next one says the purple line is longer than a yellow. Is this purple line longer than this yellow? Yes. Is this purple line longer than this yellow? No, they're equal, aren't they? So it couldn't be that one. I knew it had to be this one. You're going to have to go through that process in tomorrow's test. So if you have a question or aren't sure about number 6, practice going through it with mom and dad. Let's go on to number 7. What is the time? It's between 7 and 8. Would you say 7, 7:30, 8, or 8:30? We would say 7:30. We can't say 8 yet because it hasn't gotten there. We would say 7:30. Look at the hour hand. What time is it? If it's directly on the 9, what do we say? 9 o'clock, that's right. Here we go again with one of these where we're comparing as we go. Read it with me, friends. The red line is about 4 paper clips long. So let's look at the red lines and let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, mine is 3. Okay. This one is 3. This one is 3. Uh-oh. I think my paper clips are kind of big because mine are all 3. So let's mark off this 4 and let's put 3. The red line is about 3 paper clips long. The blue line is 1 paper clip longer. Is this blue line 1 paper clip longer than the red? Yes, so it could be that one. Is this blue line about 1 paper clip longer? Could be, sort of. Is this blue line 1 paper clip longer than the red? No. So we know it can't be that one. Let's test this one. Is this blue line 1 paper clip longer than the red? No. So I've already gotten rid of 2 of my choices, haven't I? Let's move on. The green line is 2 paper clips shorter than the red line. So green has to be 2 shorter. Does this look like it's shorter than the red? Does this look like it's shorter than the red? Yes. Which one looks 2 paper clips shorter? You know, here we have about this much. Here we have about this much. Which one looks about 2 paper clips shorter? Probably this one, right? Yeah. Good job, friends. Let's flip it to the back. The back says, performance task. Choose 3 objects to measure. Measure the length of each object with tiles. Order the objects from shortest to longest. Okay? Write each measurement. Use pictures, words, or numbers to show how you ordered the lengths of the objects. Show your work. I know you don't have tiles at home, friends. Use paper clips. Okay? Use paper clips instead. Take 3 small objects from your home and order them from shortest to longest. Okay? And also write down how many paper clips each item is. If you have any more questions about the back, be sure to ask Mom or Dad. And I will see you later. Have a great day. And tomorrow is your test day, so teacher won't have a video up. Your math assignment will just be to do Chapter 9 test. Have a great day. Good luck. I know you're going to do great.